Hey, what's going on? Got a package in today, so we're going to open this up. See what's in it. Trusty scissors here. Get in here with one hand. Break that open. Here. Oh, got it. All right. Well, that's one side. Let's see. Oh man. Okay. Get out of the light here. I'm in the basement, so it's not very bright, but see what we got here. Look at that. Wilton bullet. Nice. Look at that little guy. Look at that little toddler. Nice. That thing's in great shape. It's like brand new. It's like it's never even been used. This is 825. Just a size up from the baby bullet. This would be the Wilton, I guess you'd say toddler, but man, this thing, it's in good shape. That's why I saw it on Facebook, and I think I had it pretty cheap. It wasn't very expensive, so I'm like, I'm gonna buy this thing because I don't really see these too often. But yeah, this thing's in immaculate shape. See the jaws? Yeah, it literally looks like it's never been used. Just have to clean some of that rust up, but yeah, I mean, nothing looks bent. Everything looks intact. I don't see any chips. Got a little slap in that, so yeah, cool. I usually go with the big ones, but I saw this little one and figured I'd go ahead and get it. So yeah, cool. First little Vise. So now I'm sure I'm going to want the toddler, but yeah, that's cool. So this is the 825, and we'll put it up on the 800. So the second smallest to the biggest. So, there you go. Sorry the lighting's bad, but yeah, sweat. There you go. Got the 825 on the Wilton 800. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, well, I'll clean all this rust up and we'll do another video on it. And yeah, this thing's in great shape. What a great little vise. What a neat little vise. Like I said, this thing looks pretty mint. Put my glasses on here, but a little imperfection there, but little gouge there, no biggie. Or the nose too. Everything else looks pretty good. A little bulge right there. I'm not sure. Looks like that maybe got smashed in or something, but yeah. Cool little vise. Look at that. Other than a little bit of the rust on the side, but man, look at that paint. Yeah, it looks like it really looks like it's never been used, you know. Or not used very often, not used very much, so cool. So there's unboxing. Like I said, I like my vices. A few there, and now that little one, so the Wilton 825 Wilton toddler. So figured I'd do a video of me unboxing it, and we'd all open it together. So good deal. Well, everyone, have a good one. Bye.